Pure water machine disassembly teaching. Remove all the pipes above. The machine puts it. Reverse but forward. Prepare a cross driver. Has 2 screw holes. After these 2 Phillips head screws are dropped, back panel pushed up. You can pick it up. We're removing the side panels on both sides. The upper plate can be removed by turning it up. There are 3 locking points. After the screw point is removed, basically this board can be taken off. When the board came up, the front and lower side should be pulled a little. You can take it out. This way, so does the other side. Open the upper cover and remove the 3 screws. Pull out. Pull up again. Front underside may be a bit tight. You can prepare a 1-word driver, slightly warp. It will be easier to guess. It will be torn down like this. Then see here that the mechanism inside can be repaired.